quick video on how to repair a charger. Sometimes you get one like this that's got a noisy fan. This one squeals for a good 5 minutes until it warms up, and then the fan kicks in full. So basically it's dried out. Cheap sleeve bearing fans. I normally would leave it, but what normally happens is you go for a ride and it's a hot day and you're charging this out in the sun and that fan screws up for more than 10 minutes. What's going to happen? It's going to overheat and burn it out. So hopefully this isn't too hard to do. I've done this with thicker grease. It's not actually recommended with sleeve bearing fans. What you can do is get this 3-in-1 oil, machine oil. This stuff is pretty good. It's obviously not super thick, so the fan won't be able to function properly. I mean, they used that stuff on sewing machines back in the day, so it's pretty good. I'm hoping this fan is cheap because the older ones had a rubber cap over the sleeve bearing, so you can just pull the cap off and oil it. The new ones, it's just solid plastic, so you can't service them, which just kind of sucks. Well, I mean, you can. You have to drill a hole into the plastic to oil it, but hoping it doesn't go that far. This is going to be pretty straightforward. So label side is in. Yeah, this one's been squealing for a while, and it's actually hotter than the charger, so it'll burn out. Like I said, don't leave it. It's the beginning of the new season. Take care of it now if you have to. Alright, so we should be able to just peel back the sticker. Save that. Oh, sweet. We're in luck. It's not sealed. It's as cheap as it gets. Give it a dab. Give it a second or two to sink in and get to the other side of the blades. I mean the shaft. And then what we're going to do is get a piece of paper towel, wipe that off, and put the sticker back on. We're done. Yeah, if you wanted to get really technical, sometimes well, actually one time I filled a syringe up with oil and actually injected it into it through the rubber. Back in the day. Well, hopefully that does it. I'm just wiping this off so the sticker sticks. The sticker keeps the dirt and crap out of it, so you want to preserve the sticker if you can. Still got a film on it, so what I'm going to do is just take a dab of alcohol. There, let that dry for a minute. This way it should stick pretty good. Yeah, it's sticking. Now, if I left the grease on there, it just would have just fell right off. But that'll seal it up pretty good. Cool. We'll just preserve that fan. Prolonged its life anyway. It's been like that since last year. I'm surprised it actually still works, to tell you the truth. Because I'm the laziest person I know. Okay, so how did I screw these up? Why are these not fitting? Oh, that's why. The long screws are for the fan. So For whatever reason, they're threaded on the back. And there you go. What we're going to do is take it downstairs and give it a quick test. I just did the batteries, so I'm going to let them sit for a bit and top them up again. But like I said, if you have a fan like this that squeals when you first turn it on when it's cold, oil it. Don't leave it. Or else you're going to be searching for a new a new charger. And if you have one of those e-bikes that has a specialized charger that's like over $200, it's not something you want to just, put off. It's not a totally expensive one. This is only a 24 volt 5 amp charger. Yeah. But it works pretty good for my batteries. Just do a quick tests. It's never sounded better. Cool. Later, guys.